If your kidneys are weak and you are cooking with any of these common oils every single day, you are silently making your kidney damage worse with every meal you prepare. Most seniors with weak kidneys never suspect that their cooking oil is one of the hidden daily drivers of their declining kidney function. But certain oils are loaded with inflammatory compounds, omega-6 fatty acids, and toxic byproducts that directly stress and damage weak kidneys after 55. Here are the 4 oils you must stop cooking with immediately. Oil number 1, vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids that trigger severe kidney inflammation when consumed daily by seniors with already weak kidneys. Chronic kidney inflammation accelerates nephron loss faster than almost any other dietary factor in seniors over 55. Oil number 2, corn oil. Corn oil contains one of the highest omega-6 to omega-3 ratios of any cooking oil, making it a powerful driver of the systemic inflammation that directly worsens weak kidney function daily. Oil number 3, sunflower oil. When sunflower oil is heated to cooking temperatures, it releases toxic aldehyde compounds that your weak kidneys must work overtime to filter and eliminate from your bloodstream. This extra filtering burden accelerates kidney tissue damage progressively over time. Oil number 4, soybean oil. Soybean oil is the most widely used cooking oil in American processed and restaurant food, and its extreme omega-6 content creates persistent kidney-damaging inflammation in seniors with weak kidneys every single day. Here is your solution. Replace all 4 immediately with extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. Both contain powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that actively reduce kidney inflammation and support weak kidney function rather than damaging it further. Subscribe for more such life-saving videos.